So I bought these scissors and I wanted to try serrated scissors because sometimes when I'm cutting fabric, especially slippery fabric, I feel like it kind of gets away from me, if that makes sense. If I'm cutting, the fabric will shift as I'm sewing it. So I got these patchwork scissors. These are serrated scissors by Kai. I ordered them wholesale. Maybe I'll stock them in the Etsy shop if I like them. They're 8.5 inches. One of the blades has a serrated edge and it's supposed to be good for kind of gripping the fabric better. So again, this is sort of a real-time unboxing and review. Let me open these up. I also got some pinking shears as well. They're okay. I think they're better than the IKEA ones I have. I wish the handles were more comfortable. That's the only gripe I have about them, is that the handles are metal and they're not super comfortable. Okay, so let's open up these scissors. I like the purple color. I think that's super cute. We'll give these a try in real time. It's got a soft handle. These are pretty comfortable and it comes with a little plastic sheath on it. Clearly this is the serrated edge and then this is the straight edge. I like the purple color a lot. I think that's cool. I'll try these out to cut out the pattern pieces and we'll see how I like them. I don't know, but these are really cute and they weren't like crazy expensive. Let me know if you're interested in these, and also I'll know too pretty quickly if I like them or not, but maybe I'll start stocking these because sometimes I just feel like cutting fabric is a little tricky, especially when you first hit it with like the back of this. The fabric sort of like moves. And I don't like that, but I think these serrated scissors might help with that. So let's try this out. Oh, okay. I like these scissors. Yeah, it's gripping the fabric really nicely. I don't feel like the fabric is moving out from under the scissors, which is something that happens sometimes. And I'm cutting just outside the lines, and I'm gonna cut the lining just inside the lines. Literally one pattern piece cut out right now. Again, this is real life, yo. Like this is real time in the sewing room. And so far, I gotta say, I really like these scissors. I think they're comfortable and the fabric really just grips, which is kind of nice. I never thought I would get a pair of serrated scissors, but this actually works pretty well for cutting fabric. I'm curious to try it out on slippery or very fine fabric just to see how they do. But these are fairly reasonably priced. I think they're cute and the handles are pretty comfortable. I have small hands for reference, so if you have much larger hands than me, these might be a little small for you, but for me, these fit okay. And these are by the brand Kai. This is not sponsored or anything. I bought these. I just wanted to do sort of like a real-time demo and review, just as like a first impressions kind of thing.